Hey there, Polar Bears. This is AMD with UPA, and we are getting ready for our next webinar, which is happening on Wednesday, January 8th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's Los Angeles time. So if you're over there in New York or on the East Coast, that will be 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to check your time zones and coordinate it with 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Why is it so important to be on time and watch these webinars live? Because you can ask questions in the chat box and get answers live on the spot. We really want to engage with you, so make sure you tune in. This webinar will be all about Pole Press Marketplace. This is a new website and a new amazing thing happening in the pole dance industry by Justin of Pole Press. Now, Pole Press, we think is the new kid on the block and a huge game changer. So if you look here, you can see that people are listing pole wear. There's even listings for pole camps. And if you are an instructor and you're selling private lessons, you can also list hourly bookings here, and you can list your private lessons. Let's open up that page and take a quick look. You can list also online privates. You can also list consultations, which guess what? We will be listing the UPA coaching program consultations here on the Pole Press Marketplace site. And on the live webinar, we'll be doing that. We'll actually be walking through that process so that you get to see what it's like when you go to do it for yourself. So whether you're a pole dancer looking to buy new things like clothing or shoes or poles or crash mats, or even book a private to a city that you're going to, this is a really great resource. And if you're a pole instructor, a pole dance entrepreneur, or anyone that has a business or brand, this is a really great place to list your products and services. And Pole Press has a follower count of over 200,000 followers on Instagram, and they intend to share some of their merchants. So there's a lot of opportunity here, and I want to talk about it with you in detail. So make sure you tune in this January 8th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Remember, that's Los Angeles time, so that you can learn more about how you and the entire industry and community can benefit from this new amazing feature being introduced to the pole community. Stay true out there, Polar Bears. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. We'll see you on the 8th.